What's up, guys? I want to welcome everybody to Ohio weather. Day before yesterday it was like 70 degrees and beautiful. And as you can see today, it's freaking snowing, man. I mean, what the hell, you know? Anyways, this is video number 9, I do believe, of my portable solar tracker thingy. I'm out in my backyard, and as you can see in the background, I got about 1 million projects I started, and in the typical guy fashion, ain't done yet. You'll have that. But if you look on the table, you can see I've got the basic outline of the wheel assembly for the solar tracker. It consists of 1-inch black water pipe. You got a long piece here. It's a 10-foot stick of water pipe. The long piece is 5 feet. And then what you got left, you cut in half. That gives you 2 shorter pieces of 30 inches. And this is how it's going to be welded, just like you see it. I still have to cope out the ends to butt it up for the weld. It's going to have 4 tires on it for mobility. These are 10-inch tires. I got 2 more around the corner. I'm just showing you these. That's a 10-inch hard-wheeled tire. Air-filled tires are better, of course. This is the 10-inch tire. It swivels. You got to have two of the wheels swivel, of course, so you can pull it around where you want to put it. Make it mobile. And you're going to need a 4-inch angle grinder with a cut-off wheel to cut the pipe. This thing cuts right through that pipe, man. A couple minutes, boom, you're good. Going to need yourself a C-grip to hold everything together. And you're going to need a paint marker, okay? And that's about all I got for the update. As you can see, I got my tinkering table together. It's in the backyard. With all the snow and Ohio weather, unfortunately. I wish I was out where Jay's at, man. Sunny California sounds pretty damn nice right now. It's freaking cold, boys and girls. Son of a bitch. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Be good. Be good at it. Keep on tinkering, fellas. Peace, love, and bubble yum.